what one adjustment can help improve lap times. It really depends a lot on what adjustments you've got available on your car and what equipment you've got with you to do at the track. So if you've got a system like we went through today with the string-based wheel alignment system and a couple of those hand tools, you can really do a full alignment and set up all at the track for yourself. Probably the two of the most powerful go-to tools that I tend to use a lot throughout a race weekend are camber and toe. So camber is obviously really powerful, like I talked about, in terms of changing the mechanical balance, certainly the mid-corner balance, changing that camber balance between the front and rear axle. Modern race tires are extremely sensitive to camber, so it can be a really powerful tool. You know, you're probably talking in the range of, you know, a minimum of 1/4 degree change. You're making a big change that would be 1/2 degree. You know, these are certainly the sorts of camber changes that you'd expect to see a balance change come along. And again, you can make sure you're making use of a tire pyrometer as you go, as you sort of track these changes and seeing how it's changing and evolving with your the temperature measurements you're getting. The other part of toe is probably, I think, one of the most underrated setup changes out there, particularly rear toe. It's an incredibly powerful tool for helping to promote turn-in some aspects, and also to help stability. I really think it really is underrated. It's incredibly powerful. The great thing is it's usually really easy to change, and it doesn't actually cost you any money either. As far as you don't usually need to add any extra alignment hardware or any extra equipment. You've got all of the stuff you need to make rear toe changes straight there. So I would definitely encourage you to start playing around with that as well. That question was taken from one of our free live lessons. If you like free stuff and you want to expand your knowledge, click the link in the description to claim your free spot to our next live lesson. You'll learn about optimizing the performance and handling of your car on the racetrack, as well as improving your skills behind the wheel. Plus, you'll have the chance to ask your own questions, which we'll be answering live.